What is the type of transformer? Option A, isolation transformer. Option B, single phase transformer. Option C, low frequency transformer. Option D, high frequency transformer. উত্তর হবে option D, high frequency transformer. How power rating is specified for transformer? Option A, watt. Option B, voltage. Option C, volt ampere. Option D, horsepower. উত্তর হবে option C, volt ampere. Which component opposes any change in current? Option A, diode. Option B, resistor. Option C, inductor. Option D, capacitor. উত্তর হবে option C, inductor. What is the unit of inductance? Option A, joule. Option B, farad. Option C, Henry. Option D, watts. উত্তর হবে option C, Henry. Which value is equal to 1 picofarad? Option A, 10 to the power 6 farad. Option B, 10 to the power 12 farad. Option C, 10 to the power minus 6 farad. Option D, 10 to the power minus 12 farad. উত্তর হবে option D, 10 to the power minus 12 farad. Which factor determined the inductance value? Option A, material of the coil. Option B, diameter of the coil. Option C, frequency of the current. Option D, current flow through the coil. উত্তর হবে option B, diameter of the coil. What is the name of the type of resistor? Option A, carbon type variable. Option B, fixed low wattage type. Option C, high wattage fixed type. Option D, or wound type variable. উত্তর হবে option A, carbon type variable. What is the color code for 100 ohm resistor? Option A, brown black red. Option B, black brown black. Option C, brown black brown. Option D, brown brown brown. উত্তর হবে option C, brown black brown. How many ohms is equal to 1 mega ohm? Option A, 10 kilo ohm. Option B, 100 kilo ohm. Option C, 1000 kilo ohm. Option D, 2000 kilo ohm. উত্তর হবে option C, 1000 kilo ohm. Determine the current flows through 2 kilo ohm resistor. Option A, 5 milliampere. Option B, 6 milliampere. Option C, 7 milliampere. Option D, 8 milliampere. উত্তর হবে option B, 6 milliampere. Which property of the capacitor stores electrical energy in electrostatic field? Option A, dielectric. Option B, capacitance. Option C, stray capacitance. Option D, capacitive reactance. উত্তর হবে option D, capacitive reactance. Which unit is used to measure capacitance value? Option A, mho. Option B, ohm. Option C, farad. Option D, Henry. উত্তর হবে option C, farad. What is the name of the coil? Option A, iron core choke. Option B, ear core choke. Option C, low frequency inductors. Option D, high frequency inductors. উত্তর হবে option D, high frequency inductors. What is the name of multi-turn potentiometers? Option A, multi-turn dual pots. Option B multi-turn trim pots. Option C single turn trim pots. Option D single turn dual pots. উত্তর হবে অপশন বি মাল্টি-টার্ন ট্রিম পট What is the purpose of the electronic component used in radio receiver? Option A demodulator. Option B tuning circuit. Option C audio amplification. Option D automatic gain control. উত্তর হবে অপশন বি টিউনিং সার্কিট What is the name of the triangle used in resistor inductor in AC circuit? Option A power triangle. Option B voltage triangle. Option C current triangle. Option D impedance triangle. উত্তর হবে অপশন ডি impedance triangle. Which meter is used to find exact resistance value of resistors? Option A ammeter. Option B voltmeter. Option C ohm meter. Option D watt meter. উত্তর হবে অপশন সি ওহম মিটার How much is the impedance of the circuit? Option A 20 ohm. Option B 30 ohm. Option C 40 ohm. Option D 50 ohm. উত্তর হবে অপশন ডি 50 ohm. What is the cause of burn relay contacts? Option A low contact current. Option B excessive contact current. Option C chatter during a slow release. Option D excessive number of operation. উত্তর হবে অপশন বি excessive contact current. At which condition the cold resistance of the low voltage lamp is measured using ohm meter? Option A lamp is on at 100 degree C. Option B lamp is on at 320 degree C. Option C lamp is on at 400 degree C. Option D lamp is off at room. উত্তর হবে অপশন ডি lamp is off at room. What is the result of hysteresis loss in magnetic material? Option A back EMF increase. Option B ED current decrease. Option C magnetic flux increase. Option D energy loss takes place. উত্তর হবে অপশন ডি energy loss takes place. What is the phase relationship between the applied voltage and current in the primary of a transformer with open secondary winding? Option A voltage lags current by 45 degree. Option B current lags voltage by 90 degree. Option C voltage leads current by 45 degree. Option D current leads voltage by 90 degree. উত্তর হবে অপশন সি voltage leads current by 45 degree. What is the value of carbon composition resistor? Option A 2200 ohm. Option B 3300 ohm. Option C 3900 ohm. Option D 4700 ohm. উত্তর হবে অপশন বি 3300 ohm. What is the voltage drop across the resistor R2? Option A V2 is equal to 20 volt. Option B V2 is equal to 40 volt. Option C V2 is equal to 60 volt. Option D V2 is equal to 80 volt. উত্তর হবে অপশন C V2 is equal to 60 volt. What is the purpose of trimmer capacitor? Option A coupling. Option B filtering. Option C decoupling. Option D fine tuning. হবে অপশন ডি, ফাইন টিউনিং। Find the total resistance value of 10 ohms and 20 ohms connect in parallel. Option A 6.666 ohms. Option B 66.66 ohms. Option C 666.6 ohms. Option D 6666 ohms. উত্তর হবে অপশন এ 6.666 ohms. Find the total inductance value of two inductors connected in series. Option A 05H. Option B 10H. Option C 15H. Option D 25H. উত্তর হবে অপশন ডি 25H. What is the power dissipated if 10 milliampere current flows through a 10 kilo ohm resistor? Option A 1000 milliwatts. Option B 2000 milliwatts. Option C 3000 milliwatts. Option D 4000 milliwatts. উত্তর হবে অপশন এ 1000 milliwatts. Find the current using Kirchhoff's current law. Option A 3 ampere. Option B 4 ampere. Option C 5 ampere. Option D 6 ampere. উত্তর হবে অপশন সি 5 ampere. What is the name of effect of changing current in one coil induce EMF in nearby coil? Option A coupling. Option B induction. Option C self-induction. Option D mutual induction. উত্তর হবে অপশন ডি mutual induction. What is the effect on the transformer operated below the rated voltage? Option A burn out windings. Option B leads to enter winding leakage. Option C transformer heated up excessively. Option D delivers reduced secondary voltage. উত্তর হবে অপশন ডি delivers reduced secondary voltage. What is the purpose of vacuum contactors in electrical panel? Option A first switching. Option B slow switching. Option C packet switching. Option D medium switching. উত্তর হবে অপশন এ ফার্স্ট সুইচিং। What is the reason for the use of contactors in control circuits? Option A supply power to loads. Option B to increase load current. Option C to decrease load current. Option D to protect the load from arcing. উত্তর হবে অপশন এ supply power to loads. Why the transformer core is made as thin lamination? Option A to minimize ED current losses. Option B to increase the hysteresis losses. Option C to maximize ED current losses. Option D to increase core saturation losses. উত্তর হবে অপশন এ to minimize ED current losses. Which part of the relay causes most trouble? Option A hinges. Option B relay coil. Option C relay contacts. Option D frame and core. উত্তর হবে অপশন সি রিলে কন্ট্যাক্টস।